fire. Around its night, a fire I light, we focus on forever. Alone as well, a cockle shell, I'm lost in misty weather. With all its ways, amid the haze, where spike us up in showers. A feeble light, one instant bright, above the dark vast overs. A scarlet flash, a vivid splash, go through the darkness zooming. At first I'm sad, when we still loud, and next I just stare humming. We slide through darkness shining round, will be seen, discovered. Will I from sound along the ground be signaled and discovered? 1936, translated by J.C. Davis.